Look closely as one drop of water is alive with action. Anchored predators grind away, devouring anything that passes. High-speed grazers dart through the water, and countless microorganisms swirl around in a delicate, invisible ecosystem. Now, zoom in on the rotifer's jaw. The mass stack cycles rhythmically, crushing bacteria and protozoa like a microscopic conveyor belt. Each bite is precise, each movement synchronized, shaping the tiny world around it in real time. Shift your attention to the Paramecium swarm. Thousands of tiny cilia create coordinated waves, propelling them through the water with remarkable precision. They glide, reverse, and navigate through each other effortlessly, a miniature dance of survival hidden from the naked eye. Here's a mystery, a perfectly round structure, with a tiny ciliate moving inside. Is it a protective chamber, or just a trick of depth? Even a single drop of water hides secrets we can barely comprehend. Back to the rotifer, jaws in motion, consuming and controlling the microbial population with mechanical perfection. Now the population view, two anchored, hunting steadily while others crawl freely. Each one has a role in this complex microcosm. Returning to the rotifers, they swarm, hunt and feed, each in constant motion, maintaining balance in this miniature ecosystem. And finally, the ultimate detail, a rotifer under extreme magnification.